Hi, I'm Chloe and I voted for your part-time events officer this year.
Okay, and why do you think you'd be an excellent events officer?
I think I'd be an excellent events officer because I'm approachable, friendly, organised and hardworking, and this year I was voted best fresh rep during this year's freshers.
Okay, and what ideas have you got to get more students involved in the SU?
I want to approach the fellow students to find out what events they actually want and put on more non-alcoholic events so that everyone can be involved. Work with stay-at-home students to get them more involved in events too.
And what would you most like to change about the university?
I would like to change the communication between the SU and the students when it comes to events and make sure that every student knows who they can approach when having issues on a night out.